Large cap stocks for long-term investment. Large cap stocks are companies with a market capitalization of over 10 billion US dollars. One of the advantages from these stocks are that they are less volatile. Here's an example. Apple, per day, they can increase the stock price up to 3% normally, or they can even also go down up to 3%. And for example, DORSEY has way less market capitalization, but it is more volatile. So per day, it can increase the stock price up to 10%, but it also can fall down up to 10%. So it is less stable. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more investing videos. Next, long-term investment. Long-term means in this case, we are talking about years and decades. As Warren Buffett said, the best holding period is forever. And Warren Buffett is the star investor, and he's one of the most richest person in the world. So long-term investment is not day trading. So we don't trade per day. There are over 3,000 large cap stocks in the US. And S&P 500, for example, even in this index, popular index, not all of them are large cap stocks, because the criteria to be considered one of the S&P 500, it is 8.2 billion. So a little bit less than the large cap stocks. Number 1, Amazon. Amazon was founded on 5th July 1994 in Bellevue, Washington, in the States. Right now, Amazon has more than 800,000 employees. So let's have a quick look at the Amazon stock performance real quick. As of today, the 21st July 2020, this stock price is at about 3,155 US dollars. 1 week ago, the stock price was at about 3,087 US dollars. 1 month ago, the stock price was at about 2,700 US dollars. Half a year ago, the stock price was at about $1,892. And the stock price 1 year ago was at about 1,985 US dollars. So let's do a quick math here. Stock price currently is 3,152 divided by 1,994. So it's roughly 60% performance, 60% yearly performance. Which means if you invested in this company 1 year ago, like with 10,000 US dollars, you would now have 16,000 US dollars, which is pretty good performance considering that the savings account gives you less than 1%. So it's not even able to protect you from the investment from inflation. Next, 5 years ago, the stock price at the time was at about 530 US dollars. The market capitalization is at about 1.567 trillion US dollars, which is one of the most valuable companies in the world. According to Yahoo Finance, the stock price in 1997, where the IPO happened, it was only $1.54, just to let you know. Amazon has 44% market share in the US in e-commerce, whereas Walmart has only 7% and eBay only 5%. I also would like to mention that there is an online course investing for beginners. And additionally, there's also a discount code for the first 100 buyers. Grab it in the video description below after watching the video. So last year, the company made a profit of about 12 billion US dollars. 2 years ago, in 2018, the company made about 10 billion US dollars. And 3 years or 4 years ago, so in 2016 and 17, they also made a profit. So let's have a quick look at the earnings report real quick. So for the first quarter 2020, which means the first 3 months of this year, January, February, and March, the company made a profit of about 2.5 billion US dollars. So even during this world crisis, the company makes money, less than last year, but still they made profit. Number 2, Adobe. Adobe was founded on December 1982, so 37 years ago, in Mountain View, California. It has over 22,000 employees, and the market share is about 10%. Adobe is the world's third largest cloud software provider. Microsoft has 18%. So let's have a quick look at the Adobe stock performance. So as of today, the 21st July 2020, the stock price is at about 444 US dollars. 1 week ago, the stock price was at 439 US dollars. 1 month ago, it was 431 US dollars. Half year ago, it was at 352 US dollars. And 1 year ago, the stock price was at 308 US dollars. So let's do the math real quick. 44 divided by, how much was it again? 308, yeah, it was 308. So the yearly performance is 44%. Fair enough. 5 years ago, the stock price was at $82. Next, the market capitalization is at about 213 billion US dollars. So let's have a quick look at their annual report real quick. So their annual report for 2019 has 113 pages. So it took me a while to find this page. So last year, 2019, they made a profit of about 3 billion US dollars. 2 years ago, in 2018, it was about 2.6 billion US dollars. In 2015 until 2017, they also made a profit. So let's have a quick look at their earnings report. So this is for the second quarter 2020, and they made, well, this earnings report has 63 pages, so it took me a while to find the numbers, but they made a profit of 1.1 billion US dollars for the second quarter, which means second quarter is April, May, and June. This is what it means with the second quarter. And the whole 2 quarters, so half year, they made a profit of 2 billion US dollars. So even during this world crisis, this company, Adobe, made good money. Compared to last year, so the first half year of 2019, it was even more a little bit more compared to last year. So let's do the math real quick, how much more it is. So last year they made a profit, the first half year of last year, they made a profit of 1.93 1.94, and right now it's 2.055 divided by 1.94. So their profit even increased 6% compared to last year. Pretty good. So the productivity of their employees is fairly high. Each employee made about $136,000 in profit for that year on average. Number 3. Square. The CEO of this company is Jack Dorsey. I didn't know that. I just found it out. Because Jack Dorsey, I just thought Jack Dorsey is the founder of Twitter, but apparently he's the founder of Twitter and Square. Well, he founded Square on February 2009 in St. Louis, Missouri. Right now, the headquarters of Square is in San Francisco. Currently, it has about, more than 3,000 employees. And the transaction revenue is about $3 billion last year in 2019. In comparison, the transaction revenue of PayPal was $18 billion. So let's have a quick look at the Square stock performance. So as of today, the 21st July 2020, the stock price is at about $127. Last month it was $124. 1 month ago it was $104. Half year ago it was 70. Interesting. And 1 year ago it was like $79. So let's do the math real quick. 127 divided by 79. It's like 61% yearly performance. So as high as Amazon and Adobe as far as Amazon. Yeah, a little bit more than Amazon even. All right. 5 years ago, the stock price was at $13. The market capitalization of this company is $56 billion. So let's have a quick look at the annual report. So this annual report has 208 pages, so it took me a while to find this page. So hit the like button for me. So last year in 2019, they had a profit at about $375 million. Let's have a quick look at the earnings report. So this earnings report has only 86 pages, and their profit or loss, let's have a look. Oh yeah, here it is. So in the first quarter of 2020, which means the first 3 months, January, February, and March, they had a loss of about $106 million. Check out the investing playlist in the video description below for more investing videos. Besides, my online course, Investing for Beginners, is also in the video description below, where you can grab the discount code for the first 100 buyers. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Invest at your own risk. Happy investing and see you next time.